Argharo village sounds heavily. So heavy is in its historical importance. Located in the northwest of Khuzdar city, just 1 kilometer in the west of RCD Road, near Sunni, Argharo is a treasure of secrets but full of clues. It derives its origin from the heavy sounds of water falling of rain water falling, colliding one rock to the other before falling into earth, completing the flow of 250 feet height. What is amazing is the existence of many caves of bygone cave tree, which opens many dimensions of thinking over. Covered with heavy mountains from three directions and providing a long and a clear sighting in front leads to declare its need as defensing one. The most neighboring Sunni Gumbudi civilization possibly claims it a part of it with specific purpose. Either work as mint house or a defense stronghold. The mounds are past civilizations in nearest arounds like Sasol, Londo, Malkhor, Firuzabad, and Nall claim not to observe or study Argharo as an isolated unit. The other possibilities touch the social section. This isolated but unique inhabitation could be a group of dissatisfied or dislocated people facing the punishment of social boycott, but with less possibility. The site selection, construction method, and the planning seem to had served the defense purposes with well-conceived plans. Above all, one thing which can be declared a solid fact is the tendency living in caves with a perfect art of digging and maneuvering them had been in vogue in those days, and the people with perfect capability of it had been the origin people of this land. Argharo, the very sound and structure of their word establishes its deep and strong relationship with Dravidian languages family, as Urdu alphabet letters Ghain and Re are mostly combination of Dravidian languages, but for the tracing of its history, finding the relics spreading around the geostructure with topography always make a clarion call by inviting the experts of the respective fields to step in, exercise their expertise, and reach to the real conclusion what deserves this city of caves.
او بس دا کرے کہ گلاس تو ہمیں وقت دا مخلوق محنت کرے سو خطا سے بدا اینو پھگو دا دے نام سے استعمال کیرا اچھا دا اینو پھگو مستنا زمانہ دا سب استعمال کیرا تو دا یہ خطی نال شفٹ مل یا خطی زندہ دا خیر مو بس مال دے دینا نال خلیل اچھا اچھا دا بندہ سلیم دا تو اورا سی سمجھو